POSCO might be on the verge of re-entering Odisha. After signing an MOU with JSW, there's an increased possibility that the two companies may collaborate to establish a new industrial project in the state. Currently, JSW is setting up its project on land in Jagatsinghpur that was previously allotted to POSCO. This raises hopes that both companies could establish joint industrial operations on that site. There are also discussions that with the Odisha government preparing for a mega steel plant in Keonjhar, JSW and POSCO could potentially undertake a joint project there.
I have already spoken about the steel plant before, and even recently, when I participated in the Utkarsha Odisha Make in Odisha Conclave 2025, first in Delhi, then in Mumbai for the roadshow, I held discussions with JSW and POSCO companies. In fact, they have signed an MOU with each other, mentioning that they will establish it together in Odisha. Specifically in the Keonjhar district, it is currently in process. Certainly, a steel plant will be set up in Odisha.
The South Korean company POSCO was previously at the center of discussions for large-scale investment in Jagatsinghpur. However, after the company's exit from Odisha in 2017, the potential of POSCO's return has created renewed interest. Having signed an MOU with Jindal Southwest, or JSW, expectations are building for major industrial development in Odisha. Based on their agreement, the two companies will work together on a 5 million ton capacity plant, with the scope of their MOU covering both steel production and electric vehicle component manufacturing. Following POSCO's exit, JSW had already expressed its intention to invest in Odisha. With the land previously earmarked for POSCO in Jagatsinghpur now transferred to JSW, the anticipation for industrial development at the site has surged. The industry minister has assured that the government will provide full support to this initiative. Since the change in government, multiple industries are showing renewed interest in investing in Odisha. The minister affirmed that whether it's JSY POSCO or a JSW and POSCO joint venture, all investors would be welcomed.
Whether it's JSW, POSCO, or a joint venture between JSW and POSCO, or any other international company, we welcome everyone to invest in Odisha. As the Minister of Industries, I certainly want investors to come to Odisha, to invest here, so that our state's economy strengthens and employment opportunities are created for our youth. Industries often fail simply because they can't earn people's trust, which leads to various challenges. Because of this, the government faces obstacles in bringing industries to reality. After the change in government, there is renewed enthusiasm among all industrial entities, and we are also making efforts to attract these industries. Come to Odisha, invest here. Above all, the government is giving priority to this.
Per their understanding with the government, JSW is set to establish an industry in Jagatsinghpur. Should JSW and POSCO jointly launch a project, Keonjhar could also be a likely site. The government has proposed a mega steel plant for Keonjhar, and a task force led by the Chief Secretary is already in place to advance this plan. With the site selection process underway, speculation is growing that Keonjhar could be a strategic location for this project. That's it for now. Thank you for being with us till the end.
Odisha, frontier where the state echoes global voice. From the coast to the hills, now we rise and rejoice. India's best kept secret, no longer